bunch of balloons, water guns. Here's a double spiral stream Adventure Force spiral blast. Look at this. Huge zero bunch of balloons fast fill block party. Water strike. Storm drencher. Epic fill fast. Micro fill fast. X shot. Water strike. That's another water strike. Let's see what we got. Uh-oh. Hydro splash, 30 feet. Unicorn squirt. Dino squirt. 5-barrel blasters. Pump blasters. Beach basket set. There's a little pool for a kid. Zumo 2-pack set. There's a big bucket set for the beach. And aqua disc. Here's bounce and splash. Sand water wheel. There's a light up archery set. They're getting in their summer stuff. All pro passer robotic quarterback. Giant tennis racket. That thing's huge. Boom boom racket set. Golf set. T-ball. Hoop. Hoop hangs over door. Cover. There's a soccer and toss and catch game. Here's a bunch of balloons. It looks like a slip and slide, but it has balloons at the end. It's $14.88. Giant gazillion premium bubble. Incredible bubble wand blower. Makes big bubbles. And this is a mega bubble blower. We have a bubble blower fan and a bubble copter. Here's a bubble dino. And let's see what else we have. Here's a unicorn push bubble blower. Here's push and bubble mower. Let's see what else. More bubbles. Come on, bubbles. Here's splash ball game. Water balloon slingshot. Puncho balloons. Sidewalk chalk. Dive rings. Here's water balloons, neon splash. Here's a bubble leaf blower. Here's a no-spill bubble bucket. Or fan. Here's a hover bowling ball set. Bowling ball game. I found some butterfly bubble wands and dragons. Here's a seahorse bubble blower. And they're $10.88. Light up bubble blasters. Stomp rocket.